In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect ChatGPT to Egnyte, which allows you to search files, summarize documents, pull folder insights, and work with your Egnyte content directly inside ChatGPT. This integration is incredibly useful for teams who rely on Egnyte for secure file storage and want faster, AI-powered workflows. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. You can use the browser version or the desktop app. Both support Egnyte as an integrated application. Next, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This is where ChatGPT stores all your account settings and app connections. From the menu, click Settings. Inside Settings, open the section labeled Apps and Connectors. This is your hub for browsing all available app integrations and managing the ones you've already connected. Scroll down the list until you find Egnyte. Click on it to open the Egnyte connection page. You'll see a short explanation of what ChatGPT can do once Egnyte is linked. Things like searching through your folders, summarizing large documents, retrieving file details, or helping you navigate shared content inside your organization. Click Connect or Authorize. If you're not logged into Egnyte, you'll be asked to sign in and approve the connection so ChatGPT can securely access your files when needed. Once the authorization is complete, Egnyte will appear as an active integration. Now return to your main chat window. You can begin using Egnyte immediately by typing prompts such as Egnyte search for all PDFs related to our Q3 strategy. Summarize the contract in the legal folder. Find the latest version of the design guidelines. List recent files modified by my team. ChatGPT will pull structured information directly from Egnyte and present it in an organized, easy-to-read format. You can follow up with deeper questions, request summaries, extract key points, or compare documents across folders. This makes Egnyte incredibly powerful inside ChatGPT because you no longer have to hunt through file directories. The AI does the searching and summarizing for you. And that's it. Open ChatGPT. Click your profile icon in the bottom left. Open Settings. Go to Apps and Connectors. Choose Egnyte. Authorize it. Then return to the chat and start working with your Egnyte files through simple, natural prompts. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.